In this video, I am going to show you the top 7 best AI website builders. All the tools that I am about to share in this video are free to use, and then you can also upgrade to a paid plan based on your need. So, let's not waste any time and get started. The first tool on the list is Codedesign AI, an AI-powered platform that makes website creation as easy as clicking a button. Codedesign uses artificial intelligence to create professional-grade website designs instantly. You only need to provide a brief description of your needs, and it does the rest. But before that, you must create a free account here. Once you are logged into Codedesign AI, you'll see a page like this. Here, you only need to describe what type of website you want. For example, let's say I want to make a portfolio site for providing video editing services. So, I will provide the instructions accordingly. But be aware that the free plan only allows to generate 2 websites. Now simply click on this Generate button, and then Codedesign will start working. Here, make sure that the website language, category, and other details are correct, and then click on Generate Website. Now Codedesign will take a couple of seconds to generate your website. Here, you can see that it has generated a website for us. The best part is that even though the designs are generated, you have complete control. You can simply click on any element on this page, and the Customization tab will open for you. And then you can make changes to these elements. You can select any written sections here, and then use AI to rewrite that section. When you scroll down, you'll see other sections on this page. We have images here. Then we also have the FAQ section. And we have some other sections here too. Overall, this website is looking just fine. Make sure to preview the site on tablet and mobile devices too. And let's say that you didn't like the generated website. In such cases, simply click on this Regenerate Site button, and Codedesign AI will generate the entire site once again. And this design is even better this time. If you remember correctly, I asked it to create a portfolio website, and this is the perfect portfolio site structure. We have the person's name and details here. Then we have the social media links, followed by projects and contact details. And as I said earlier, all these sections are fully customizable. This tool is perfect for creative professionals who want complete customization without starting from scratch. Not to mention that Codedesign also contains some pre-made templates that you can use to design your website. The free plan is great for small projects. You can work on up to 3 websites without spending a single dime. Next up, we have Mixo.io, a website builder tailor-made for startups and entrepreneurs. In less than a minute, Mixo generates a ready-to-go website. All you need to do is describe your business idea in a sentence, and it handles the rest. Let's say I want to create a digital marketing agency website. I will enter the details here with all the services I want to add on my site. And then I will click on this Continue button. Next, we need to select a goal. My website goal would be to schedule appointments with potential customers. So I will select this one. I can also enter a booking link here. And then I will hit the Generate button. And within a few seconds, this tool will generate a website for me. And as you can see, this tool has created the entire website for me in less than a minute. And the cool thing is that it has also generated content for each section. Of course, I can edit this content or simply regenerate using AI. I can also reselect these images using AI. And in case if you don't like the website, you can click on this Restyle button on the top right, and this tool will create a different website for you. And the cool thing is that you can use this feature as many times as you want. Once you find a cool design, you can use the recolor option on your site and see which one fits the best. We also have the change layout option, which basically makes little adjustments in the original layout. Mixo is ideal for entrepreneurs who want to validate a product idea quickly. The pricing plan starts from $9 and goes up to $39 per month. You can also save on annual plans. And if you're still unsure, Mixo offers a free trial for new users, and their 30-day money-back guarantee makes it a risk-free choice. The third tool on our list is Dorik.com, a versatile website builder for those who want sleek, responsive designs. Dorik is perfect for freelancers and small businesses who want professional-looking websites without hiring a developer. You can create websites using AI, or you can also use some pre-made templates if you want to. Once you are logged into Dorik, you'll see an interface like this. Here, click on Create a Site with AI. Next, enter your business name and a brief description about what type of website you want. You can also see some example here on the right slides. For now, I am making a website where I'll publish book summaries notes, etc. So I will enter the prompt accordingly, and then click on this Generate Website button. And within a few seconds, Dorik will create a website for me. You can see all the sections which are being generated by Dorik in the background. And as you can see, it hardly took 2 minutes for Dorik to come up with a website like this. I am really impressed by this website. You can see the logo and menu at the top. Next, we have a hero section with AI-generated content and stock images. And when you scroll down, you'll see that every section is perfectly optimized, easy to read, and also giving a professional vibe. You can click on any section or element, and on the right side, you'll see the customization option. You can select any text and replace it with your own content. You can select images, and on the right side, you'll see option to replace it. You can generate images using AI, or use stock images from Unsplash. You can change colors, fonts, and anything you want. There are a lot of customization options for each elements, so feel free to play around with these options if you want. Lastly, click on this Publish button, and your site will be published. Dorik also let you choose from a library of templates and UI blocks to build your site in record time. And unlike many other tools, Dorik offers a blogging platform without relying on plugins, making it a complete solution for content creators. The next tool on our list is none other than Framer, a favorite for designers and teams who need a powerful, collaborative tool. On your Framer dashboard, click on this New Project button, and it will open a blank canvas for you. Next, you will find the Generate with AI option somewhere on this left menu. Here you only need to describe what type of website you are looking for. For example, I want a simple digital marketing agency website. I will also mention the services that I want it to include on the site. And then I'll click on this Start button. And within a few seconds, Framer will come up with a cool website design for me. I can shuffle the font styles here to find the right font for this page. I can also try different color palettes and choose the one that fits with the design. If you want to change any text here, simply select it and then click on the sparkle icon, and the AI will rewrite the text for you. Everything on this page is fully customizable. Framer isn't just for making AI websites. You can create fully interactive websites with animations and effects, all without coding. Apart from AI Website Builder, it has advanced customization options. Not to mention that you can copy any Figma design and then use it on Framer with just a click of a button. You can also clone any website using Framer's Chrome extension. This tool is ideal for creative teams who want to build interactive websites with advanced animations. And with a free plan available, it's easy to get started. Next tool on our list is called 10Web, a powerhouse platform for WordPress users. This tool is arguably the best AI website builder at this moment. Simply visit 10web.io, then click on this Generate button. I want to create a website using AI, so I will select that option. Next, select your website type and continue. For this example, I will create a home decor website. Next, we need to enter the company name and a small description. You can also enhance your description using AI. Since I don't have a domain, I will select this option, and then I will enter the desired domain here. Next, the AI will start working, and it will take some time to generate your website. Compared to the other tools, 10Web takes more time to generate a website, but you'll also get top-notch quality. You can see that it is making multiple pages for the website. Once all the pages are created, you can click on this next button to modify the website. Basically, we need to select the colors, fonts, and a theme for our website, and then click on this Generate button. Now it will take a couple of minutes to generate the website. Once you see this message, simply click on this Preview and Edit button, and you'll be taken to the website. And as you can see, this website looks very professional and attractive. The images are top-notch quality, and the fonts and buttons are looking really smooth. Make sure to preview it on both desktop and mobile devices. If you click on this pencil icon, it will take you to the 10Web editor, where you'll be able to further customize your website. The 10Web Builder is similar to Elementor Page Builder, and it is really easy to use. Simply play around with these settings on the left, and you'll figure it out in no time. One thing to note here, though, is that 10Web is not completely free to use. In fact, to make full use of this tool, you'll need to upgrade to the paid plan. The good news is that the paid plans are very affordable and provides you everything you need to manage your website. Every plan includes hosting and optimization tools to ensure your site loads fast and performs well. 10Web is perfect for WordPress fans who want to save time and effort. And with pricing starting at $10 per month, it's budget-friendly too. Website number 6 on our list is Durable, an AI website builder designed for small business owners. Simply visit durable.co and then click on this Generate Website button. Next, enter your website type here and continue. Next, enter your location here. Next, enter your business name and then click on Generate Website. Now Durable will generate a professional website in just seconds, tailored to your specific business type. Before continuing further, you'll need to create your account. Once you are logged in, you'll see a complete website in front of you. The website contains all the important sections that a blog needs. And just like other website builders, I can customize every part of this site. You can select any section and then click on this Restyle button, and the section will be recreated in a different style. This is similar to other website builders. Beyond website building, Durable helps you manage customers and market your business, all in one place. Durable also includes invoicing tools, so you can handle billing seamlessly. For small business owners who want an all-in-one solution, Durable can be a perfect choice. You can create website using AI for absolutely free, but to make full use of this tool, you might have to upgrade to a paid plan. Durable pricing starts from $15 and goes to $95 per month. You can save 20% on yearly plans, and you can get some extra discounts if you use our affiliate links and coupon code, which is given in the video description. Alright, now it's time for the last tool. Last but not least, we have GetResponse, a tool that combines website building with powerful marketing capabilities. GetResponse is basically an all-in-one marketing tool. You can manage your entire business with the help of this tool. On your GetResponse dashboard, go to Tools option, and then click on Website Builder. Now click on Create Website, and you'll see two options. We can either create a website using pre-made templates, or we can use AI to design our website. GetResponse offers some really high-quality website templates, so make sure to have a look at it. For now, let's create a website using AI. Here, we need to type our business type, and then choose a website type from this list. Let's say we want to create a membership website. More specifically, a membership community of content creators. I will explain the same thing in the description section, and then go to the next step. Here, we need to select all the options we want to add on our site. These 4 options are already selected, and we can choose more options from this list. Next, we need to select our website's primary color. I will select yellow for this one. And then I also have the option to add a logo for my site. I can also add a website link for inspiration here. Next, we need to enter our business details here, and then go to the next step. Now GetResponse will take some time to create our website. As you can see, it has created 3 websites for us. Now we can preview these websites, and then choose any one to continue further. Next, we can manually make some changes to the website. All sections on this website is customizable, and you can see that it has created a lot of pages for our website based on the details we provided earlier. For now, I will click on this Save and Exit button. GetResponse is basically an all-in-one marketing tool. This tool is perfect for anyone who needs a website and marketing platform in one, and it has a forever free plan that lets you test every feature and functionality of this tool. If you don't want to spend some money on your website, you can go ahead with Dorik and GetResponse page builders, as they offer a free plan with decent features. For other tools, you'll have to upgrade to the paid plan to make full use of them. If you decide to buy any paid plan for any recommended software, make sure to use the links that are given in the video description. These are affiliate links that will offer you the latest deals and discounts on these tools. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tools reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.